Mananko, Mananko.
Look for the gully. Over my brother yard and him now come out time out. Why Natalie them stand up there, sir?
John, what's your boss scare, man? Jaja. Daniel road this people, very near to. Shut off tonight. Shut off tonight, my boss.
No, me lock it off.
You lock it off.